we used to do in-class self-assessment quizzes, which were kind of group quizzes that we used to do about 6 times over the term. And we couldn't do that with doing online synchronous lectures. So we switched that to using the myDALITE system. You're probably all familiar with myDALITE, but just to describe it, it is a 2-stage question and answer system where in our case, we're using it as multiple choice, where you put up a question with several possible answers. The students pick an answer, write a rationale, and submit it. And then it goes back and gives people their answer and their rationale, as well as a couple of other answers that other students have given, plus those their rationales, rationales from the other students. And then the students need to choose which whether they want to A, stick with their answer, and B, stick with their own rationale, which they're able to do. And then, so essentially, they're not necessarily getting direct feedback on their answer, but they're seeing how other people answered it and how other people rationalized it, which is kind of a useful system. We've trimmed it down so they've got a week to do it. There's 4 questions each with 4 to 5, possible answers and the multiple choice thing. So it's a pretty straightforward. And what we've done is we've been encouraging them to go to the Fresca sessions where there's team peer mentors who can, they can work on it in virtual groups with the ability to talk to peer mentors while they're doing it. And we've set up, I think we have around 7 Fresca sessions across the week to try to set it up so that people have an opportunity. That's kind of replacing TA office hours this term. So there's, the conferences are more directed to knowledge synthesis or exam review. And then we've opened up the Fresca. And so that's what we're doing. And plus the big thing on our midterm questions is rationales. They do a long answer problem, but the right answer is only part of their answer. They actually have to work through the logic, so the calculations. And that also, we're hoping that the myDALITE is helping make them think about why they're choosing their answer, because that's part of what we want them to demonstrate on their midterm questions. So that's, I guess, how we're trying to give some feedback type of thing in the course this year.